Brits seem to think they have some kind of like lockdown with beans on toast, like they cornered the market. Not. Growing up in a Portuguese household, that was a total treat. And yeah, we would do the whole pork and beans, which is kind of what the Brits beans look like. But today I'm going to show you my cousin Helen's Portuguese beans. I'm making a double batch because I'm feeding other people tonight, but I'm going to talk like I'm making it just for one because normally I do. I'll eat this for supper and then turn around the next morning and do beans on toast. Sometimes I'll throw in an egg, usually not. We're going to start by frying up 2 pieces of bacon. If you're wondering what to do with that extra bacon, check this video. While the bacon's frying, we're going to go ahead and quickly dice up half an onion. Pull the bacon, keep all that lovely grease in there. Fry our onion till softened. To this, we're adding 2 cloves of garlic. We just want to get that fragrant, not browned. Next is an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Just the juice from a 15-ounce can of small red beans. A half teaspoon of cumin seed. Half tablespoon of red wine vinegar. We're gonna drop the heat. Let that simmer about 10 minutes with some salt and pepper. Let those flavors meld and that sauce thicken. Then crumble and throw your bacon back in. And then throw in your beans. Let that heat all the way through. Tonight, a hearty protein-packed meal. Tomorrow morning, beans on toast. Sorry, Britain, this is way better. Click this next video for more single-serve meals because cooking for one is fun, delicious, and no food waste.
Oh yeah.